By rounding each number to one significant figure, give an estimate for 23 squared times 27.5 over the square root of 147. Hence, find the percentage error of the estimate compared with the actual value correct to three significant figures. So we've got 23 squared times 27.5 over the square root of 147. We only have to round to one significant figure, so that 3 has no effect on that 2. We add in a 0 to make it 20. We need to remember to square it. That 7 will make that a 3, so this becomes 30. And that 4 has no effect on the 1, therefore this will become the square root of 100. The whole idea of doing this is that we can estimate the value using without using a calculator. So 20 squared is 400. 400 times 30 is 12,000, and then a square root of 100 is 10. So 12,000 divided by 10 gives me 1,200, or 1,200. Now we have to find the percentage error. So if we take our actual value of 23 squared times 27.5 over the square root of 147, the calculator will give us 1,199.857. Use the fraction button on your calculator. Okay, so the percentage error will be the difference between the two, the positive difference. So it would be 1,200 minus 1,199.85 over the actual value, which is 1,199.85. And that gives me 0. Times it by 100 to make it percentage, 0.01186. And therefore, correct to three significant figures, that 6 will make that 8 and 9. So the answer will be 0.0119%, a very, very small percentage. Okay, this has been a video to show you how to do estimation and then calculate the percentage error of that estimate. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.